Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 16 of this building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add all of this. We're just going to change this part because I want it to be at least right here because it's too close onto this other one. So here, let's edit. So let's go to, we need to select that, edit in place, and then select it again, pick new, and we need to place it somewhere right here. And then you can click finish, and actually no, not yet. We need to go to elevation. I think north elevation, and we just need to place it on the proper height. The reason I'm not selecting it from here because it will stretch out because it's a extruded part. So I'm just going to manually add it like that, and then go to level 1 to fix the extrusion part. And then here we just need to add it like that. Of course, we're gonna fix the door. We're gonna place the door right here on both of this, and then we could just click finish. And then let's go to 3D. Here I'm gonna select that and then change it back to solid panel, and then select this panel as well, or not solid panel but the glaze part. There we go. And then select the other part again and glazed. I just want to change it back to the same one. This is the hard part in terms of placing this. Sometimes it's just hard to add it on the bottom. There we go. And then you can, of course, put it back to the top part. There we go. So now everything is the same. Actually, this is the one at the top. I forgot about that. It's already you need to place it onto this side first, and then it's going to cycle on how you like it. So now select this and then change it with the glass that we want, and then unpin it so that it will change. Flip it. I'm going to clean this up. Edit. We're gonna put void on the back only. Create void form, void extrusion, and then here we're just going to have a curve one onto here, and then have it like that, and then actually this is not curve, and then we just need to go around here, click finish, go to 3D to pull it down and pull it up, and then click on cut geometry and then click finish. So now everything looks good, and then the spacing is much better. Next thing I want to do is the site. So here on level 1 we could add in another floor. So I'm going to edit this, duplicate. This will be floor number 7, 200. That's good. And then here, material, one of the concrete. So I'm gonna use this one. And I don't want any offset, so make sure this is 0. And then we need to add the flooring here. Of course, we don't need to add it on this side, so we need to select the building first, building exterior, and then select all the perimeter wall. And then only in this part is the one that we need to clean up and take some time, because the curved part so I'm gonna select this one, and then there. I'm going to trim this. Actually, this one, there we go. That one is much better. And then trim every end of this. There we go. We got connected there, and then we can connect it here, and then we could just delete the small part there. And then now, because we have this one highlighted, it will be there's nothing gonna be added here. So now we just need to add something like this. This will be the floor area, so this will be voided area. And then now we need to curve this, add some, basically this will be the side road as well. And then yeah, this will be the side road as well. So here I'm going to add something like this, trim it as well. I'm gonna make this area big, and then the street will be the one with negative 200 from here. Here I'm gonna at least put 1500. And then here I just need to offset this to maybe 1000. So it's still the same, but in this part I'm gonna give it very small. So even it's 1000, and then let's trim this. That's SL here. Trim this. Then garbage area, I'm going to have this one like that. You can put it right here. Here we could, because this is where the truck will be. Compactor. And then here we can trim. It's really up to us, because if the garbage area is here, garbage right here, and then the truck will be going at the back. So actually we just need this one to have some space. This is good. Here we just need to go like this so that it's not too much. And then let's curve this. For the arc. Maybe at 10,000 curve. And then here as well, let's curve this. 5,000. So click finish. Here we see we forgot this one, and then Revit will show us if we have any errors. There we go. Check 3D to see how it looks. So that will be the side road. I would add in some trees here, some lights, some trees, so some decorative stuff. That's why they're very long in terms of how much, you can estimate it around almost 5,000. So yeah, almost 5,000 in here, and then almost 4,000 here. So that's good. I want to mimic this one right here onto the other side of this, because I want to add a small building here, or a tall building here. No, actually here a small building and a small building here as well. So I just want to have this copied here. Of course, I'm just getting the layout. We have 10,000 here and then 5,000 here. Of course, it's better to have the same. So I'm going to have to copy this, mirror it in the midpoint, something like that. And then make it small enough. Estimate this one for a 4-lane road, and then offset this to 2,000 for the side road. Okay, so that once we add the street, everything will be the same. And then estimate this one as well for 4-lane road. I think that's good enough. And it's just out of the area, so don't worry about it. If you want to see it crop visible, and then you can uncheck this, and then you can maximize that if you want, or you could just uncheck this one. So at least you could just click here again, and then it will disappear. So there we go. And then in terms of the road, that's another floor that we're gonna create. We're gonna edit this one, duplicate floor number 8, and then let's change the material again to another concrete. And then this is the one that is -200. And then here you just need to add this, a bigger span, and this will be our road. We might come back and extend this depending on the building that we will add, but yes, I'm gonna add some buildings here, and hopefully it's good enough. And then we're gonna add it from Twinmotion, so it's something that we could come back from. So here basically that's the road already, and then we're gonna work on that. We could get like a bigger, we can even extend that if we want, so that we have a nice background. So we could extend this and then add a little bit more of this. So let's add this, copy, and then maybe we could just select it right there, a bigger lot on this part. So I'm just going to keep on adding in case we need it. And then once we're in Twinmotion, that's where we're going to change it. This is just a aisle or corridor, and then we could just have this one aligned. So I'm just eyeballing it. So I'm gonna align that, and then we have enough room here, and then click finish. So this will be side road, and all of that. Actually, we could at least give this one a little bit more. There we go. And there we go. So we're just going to come back here and then click this so that we still have focus here. When we're creating our sheets, this is the one that we need to add the site, so it will show everything that we have, and then we could place some notes here like the streets and everything, shadow 45 degrees, and those kind of information. Oops, I moved it a bit. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.